Nhớ cho nó nào của đọc là kia là một đọc bê tao cao again. Hello, today I'm back to teach more again. So I'm going to teach you a few sentences that we use in our daily life. So if you go somewhere like far away and you don't want to stay in that place and you want to come back home, and you will say like, I don't want to stay here, I want to go back home. Then in Hmong we say cú chi sa nhỏ nó cú sa đã cá mu chè, cú chi sa nhỏ nó cú sa đã cá mu chè, cú chi sa that means I don't want, nhỏ nó stay here. And then cú sa I want, cho cá mu chè, bag cho cá bag, chè. Then home, cú sa đó cá mu chè, I want to go back home. Okay, the next sentence is when you want to say like, I miss my home, I miss my house, or like I miss my like my parents. If you want to say like I miss my house, then cú cho chè, I miss my house, cú cho chè, I miss my house. Like but in another way you can say like cú cho cú lô chè, cú cho I think of cú lô chè my house. Cú lô means my house, then chè cú cho cú lô chè. So if you want to say like I think of my parents, I miss my parents, then cú cho cú nhà cú gì, cú cho cú nhà cú gì. Cú cho means I think, or I think of, or I miss my parents. Like I miss cú nhà cú gì, my parents. So if you want to say like I miss my daughter, I miss my son, then cú cho cú tu, cú cho cú tu, I miss my son. Cú cho I miss tu my like son, cú tu my son, cú cho cú tu, I miss my son. And if you want to say like I miss my daughter, cú cho cú tuân chai, cú cho cú tuân chai. So cú cho I miss tuân chai mean daughter. Like cú tu means mine. So cú tuân chai means my daughter. I miss my daughter, I miss my daughter. Cú cho cú tuân chai. So if you send your daughter or your son to school and you want to say like I sent my daughter to school, cú sa cú tu chai mu cải, cú sa cú tu chai mu cải. Or you say like I sent my son to school, cú sa cú tu mu cải, cú I sa means send, I send, like cú sa and send. Cú tu my son, cú tu chai my daughter. So cú sa cú tu chai mu cải means I sent my daughter to study. Mu cải, mu means go, and cải means study. So cú sa cú tu chai mu cải, I sent my daughter to study. So if you send someone to study and you want to say like pay attention to study, or like pay attention to study, yeah. And in Hmong we say Don't share Don't share So don't share means pay attention. Like, 感到 means study. Don't share pay attention. 感到 study. Don't share 感到 pay attention study. Pay attention to study. And so if you want to say like if you miss me, then you can make a phone call me, and emo will say yo if yo có cho cụ chê who phone đó cụ who means call phone and that's also English, so who phone đó cụ if you miss me you like call me like then emojis mean yo if it also means is like and m like ASMR like yo, but we can also use like if yo con cho cô if you miss me, like if you miss me you can call me yo con cho cô có hô phòng đó cô ta yeah. And if you send them to school and you want to say like yo con cho cô trên khu phòng đó cô in Hmong we say yo okay. So if you want to say like yo okay, if you miss me then you can call me yo con cho cụ chè có khu phòng cho cụ. Okay, and like if a sentence you want to say like what do you think about it, or what do you think about it, then in Hmong we say có xả lý trà trong nữ sư, có xả lý trà trong nữ sư, có xả lý trà trong nữ sư. And what do you think about it? Or if you like want to say like what do you think, or that you ask for opinion, then in Hmong we say có xả lý trà sư. Yeah. Okay, now I'm back to teach you the basic like sentences we use every day. Okay, nhớ trong sáng gió, good morning. Nhớ trong tả siêu, good afternoon. Nhớ trong tròn tu, that means good evening. But in Hmong you can always say like nhớ trong, then it doesn't matter, like it's also like polite, so you can say like nhớ trong to someone like anytime you want. And okay, then if you say like có bộ nhớ trong, I mean if someone asks you like có bộ nhớ trong, then it means like how are you, you can answer like cô nhớ trong ca. And like if they say like how are you today, then in Hmong we say có bộ nhớ trong nóng then you can answer like cô nhớ trong ca, I am fine, like, I'm good. So if you want to say like do you know that, or do you know, then in Hmong if you say like do you know that, có bộ báo lên đài means do you know that, có bộ báo do you know, that leader that leader means that uh, and like you want to say like couple pound leader it means like do you know that, and like if you want to say like that, if you want to answer the question that they say do you know that, and like you say like I didn't know it because you didn't tell me, I don't know it, then emo you say có tới chỉ kia cô có tới chỉ kia cô, you didn't tell me, có tới chỉ kia cô theo lý chỉ bảo, cô theo lý chỉ bảo, cô theo lý chỉ bảo, that's why I don't know, like you didn't tell me, that's why I don't know. Có bảo bảo okay có tới chỉ kia cô theo lý chỉ bảo, you didn't tell me, that's why I don't know. So if you want to say like to ask someone like that do you want to go home, then emo we say có bỏ xả mu chè, có bỏ that's do you, do you want like có bỏ xả, do you want, mu chè go home. And like if that person like answer the question like do you want to go home, and like he may say or she may say like I want like to hang out a little bit, then I can go back, or like I still want to stay here, then emo we say cú chừng xá nhớ nó, cú chừng xá, cú chừng xá, I still want, cú chừng means still, I still want to stay here. Cú chừng xá nhớ nó, nó means here. Okay, that's all for today. So I'm going to teach you a few words, like a few like vocabularies. So like time in Hmong we say 西海, and mu go, then we say mu, and like eat, no, like I eat breakfast, like something like, then we say no more eat rice, something like that. So daddy take a shower, like if you want to say like I want to take a shower, the word like shower, in Hmong we say daddy, kusa daddy, I want to take a shower. Daddy means take shower, and like okay, that's all for today. I'll teach you next time.